I try
Okay, so
not to.
these were made up a little while ago.
These were made, yeah, these were actually made last week.
Okay.
And this rose is actually not too crumbly, but again, it's been raining here, you know. But these guys are definitely, you know, their little petals were falling off. I did these on Wednesday, I think, or Thursday. So 2 days ago, 3 days ago, I did these. I did them on Wednesday. And I dusted them last night, and I had a couple little pieces fall off. Not too bad.
We can see the two different colors purple in there.
Yeah.
Is that where it was dusted, or was it just two different colors?
I used 2 different colors, and I dusted.
Oh, gotcha.
So that's why you've got, I dusted the darker one even darker.
Oh, okay.
Is what I did.
Looks neat.
So that's why you can see 2 different colors.
And what do we do with them now?
And now we're going to put them on our cake. So you can use spaghetti. Let me grab my, where is my thingy? Here it is. So basically, I'm going to cut a hole here. This is where I want one of the roses to go. And I use a little spaghetti to help it stay on. Warn your people that there's spaghetti in here.
There's spaghetti involved.
Involved, yeah. And it should go on.
So basically, if you're making this cake for someone else, you just want to warn them that although it's all edible, there's some spaghetti.
There is spaghetti in there, yeah. Oh, this one's not going to go. That's fine. We'll just put it on. We can actually use frosting to stick it on here. And so what we're going to do is just attach this stuff. The candy clay will attach to candy clay with a little bit of either piping gel or liquid or something. So what I'm going to do is just cut little areas just for the roses, just so they can whoop, good move.
Not that anybody else would ever do such a thing.
Never.
Let's watch Tami fix her mistake.
Oh, shoot. Sound like the golf.
That's right.
Golf channel.
The play-by-play. Yeah, but to me this is fascinating because I would do the exact same thing.
Yeah, well.
I'd stick one on and it would fall off.
It would fall off. Yeah, well, you know how that goes.
Yes, I do. So now you're using, because you're going out of camera, you're using a little bit
I'm using a little bit of piping gel. Sorry, you
piping
didn't
gel.
see that.
That's all right.
Is the camera on me? Okay.
It's cake decorating glue.
That's exactly what it is. Okay. A little bit of piping gel right on the base there. All I did was cut holes in this so it would set in here better. Okay. And then you're actually going to use these leaves. I've got a million of them over here. Let's grab them. And what we're going to do is you can actually use a little bit of this green and the
Green candy clay?
green candy clay, and you can actually use it to stick it on here. It will actually stick to the green candy clay. It's either that or you can use, you know, the piping gel, which, yeah, I don't really want a ton of it on here. Did you get the general idea? So we're going to use the clay on here. I also use the spaghetti to help it stay where it needs to go. So if I want it to stand up and it's not standing up, I'll actually use a piece of spaghetti behind it, like so, to help it stand, like so. Okay. If it's not, you know, standing on its own. Sometimes it's difficult. But normally I get all the roses in, then I do those, and then we'll stick these in between. Okay, so that's what I'm going to work on right now. I'm just going to put all my roses in. So now you can ask questions about anything else.
Okay.
Because that's pretty much it. Oh, we need to put the rim on the basket on too.